Alright guys, walking into the Riu Vallarta Jr suite with an ocean view. Let's check it out. Wow. So once you walk in, there's a bathroom right here. Okay, the light's not turning on. What's going on here, guys? Okay, that's the one thing. There we go. Pretty big bathroom. Okay. This is a junior suite. Full-size beds. I already got my stuff in here. Nice room, nice size. You got your own little sitting area as well. Nice. Alright, let's look at the ocean view. Wow. Pretty sunny right now, but okay. Look at that view, guys. There's a pool over there, as you can see. You can barely make out the adult pool right there, but yeah, guys, this is the Riu Vallarta Junior Suite with the ocean view. Highly recommend it. So far, so good.